There are a number of myths that surround what is and isn't safe in pregnancy. Some women read about things from less than reliable sources, and we'd like to take a minute to answer those questions and give you some straight answers. Is a pregnancy 9 months? Well, sort of is the best answer we have. Each month really has 4 1/3 weeks, so it's 40 weeks as a full pregnancy. It's a very commonly held belief that women will say if you have a lot of heartburn that the baby's going to have a lot of hair, and unfortunately the amount of baby's hair has nothing to do with heartburn. It's based all around the amount of progesterone that's produced by the placenta, which causes relaxation of muscles above the stomach and allows acid to reflux. It's not uncommon for babies to be born with absolutely no hair, even in women who have the worst heartburn I've ever heard of. Cravings while you're pregnant don't necessarily indicate what foods your baby is going to like or not like, unfortunately. That would make the early part of parenting a lot easier for most women. But there is some evidence that suggests that if you crave very certain specific things, you might be nutritionally deficient. And so if you're having very odd cravings, you should speak to your doctor about it. Pregnant women can safely dye their hair as long as it's done in a well-ventilated room where the fumes aren't going to expose anyone to any problems. If you get it done in a salon, it's as long as they're moving the air through well, there's no problems at all. If you do it at your house, just make sure you have the window open in the room that you're doing it in, or at least the vents working well. I would avoid those blowout things that stylists do because they contain formaldehyde, and that's not a great idea for pregnant women.